The error code D5 on a Maytag washer indicates that the machine is not draining properly. This issue can be caused by an excess of suds in the tub or a faulty drain. To resolve the problem, start by checking the washer for suds. Open the door and inspect the tub. If you find a large amount of suds, turn off the machine and let it sit for 2 hours to allow the suds to dissipate. If no suds are present, the issue is likely due to a defective drain pump. To investigate further, switch off the washer, unplug the power cord, and pull the unit forward. Remove the top and back panels using a screwdriver, and take out the control board to access the area beneath the tub. Disconnect the rubber door gasket from the wiring ring. Then remove the front panel to locate the drain pump. You will see a plastic twist drain cap under the tub. Unscrew it and clear any foreign material from the drain catch. If the area is clear, the drain pump is likely faulty and needs to be replaced. In this case, it is recommended to call a professional to replace the drain pump to avoid causing further damage to the washer.